Hello guys, welcome back to my latest plan video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen. So guys, actually I have two methods to solve this problem. Hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So for the first method, open up Play Store here and type on profile icon here and then type on settings here and then type on about and scroll it down and then tap on Play Store version. If any update available here, then up to date this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then go for the second one. For that, open up settings here and then scroll it down, and here you can see app management, so tap it, and after that tap on app settings and search here for Play Store, tap it, and then tap on storage and cache and then clear cache and clear storage and then tap on OK. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if the problem is still not fixed, I am going to tell you that how can you download your favorite app. For that, open up any browser here. For example, I am going to download WhatsApp. So type here WhatsApp new version for Android pure APK. So search for that and click on first link. As you can see guys, you can download WhatsApp from here. You can download any app from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.